So today I want to show you how to solder a jump ring closed. Closing a jump ring is really important, and it's a lot of people's first array into soldering, because as you make necklaces and stuff, you'll want to secure them. And securing them is by closing the jump rings instead of leaving them open where they can pull and open up. So soldering a jump ring is really easy. So I have a third hand right here holding the jump ring up, and it has a chain below it. And this third hand is acting as a heat sink. And what it's doing is, as I heat the jump ring up, it's actually drawing the heat away. And that's protecting the cable links below from getting soldered or by even melting. So what I want to do is I want to get the solder to flow. So I flux the piece, and it has a tiny, tiny piece of soft solder at the top of it, right where the opening is to the jump ring. And what I want to do is I want to draw that solder down through the jump ring, closing up that opening. So go ahead and put your torch in your non-dominant hand. And I'll keep the soldering pick in my dominant hand. That way, if anything shifts or moves as I'm soldering, I'll reach out with the soldering pick rather than with my finger. So you always want to keep a soldering pick in your hand in case of an emergency. So I have the torch tilted up, and I want to draw that soft solder down through it. And so I'm only heating up the jump ring, and that's flux melting on the third hand, and that it won't hurt anything. And you want to keep your torch moving, and there it's flowed. And that's how you close a jump ring. So now you can go ahead and either let that air dry, or you can quench it and put it in pickle.